Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching the show. Alright, guys, I wish you well. Alright, I want you to be happy in life. Alright, money, success, fame, fortune, whatever you desire, I want you to have, right? Because I would feel better as a creator if I motivated you guys to get the same things as me, right? Now, not everybody's going to make fame, not everybody's going to have success, but at least having the thought that you will and working towards it, you know you have a better chance, right? Even me, I'm not guaranteed success, right? None of us are guaranteed success, right? So we have to really work hard and really do what we need to do, right? We know that we depend on ourselves to make ourselves live the best as possible. And life is something that we have to take full advantage of and make it our own, right? Anyway, thank you for watching. Totally enjoyed. Bye now. Bye now.